Do you know there's a type of plant called fruit salad tree which can have over 6 different types of fruits on the same tree? Like the citrus salad tree, which can have oranges, lemons, mandarins, grapefruit, tangelos and pomelos on the same tree. Of course, it's not natural. It's made by a process called grafting, in which tissues of different plants are connected so they can grow together. Since we discovered agriculture, we are trying to make food as convenient as possible, like the use of plastics to store, cook and transport food easily. But there are a lot of concerns regarding the use of plastic in cooking, that it can either melt or leach chemicals into the food. So let's see these concerns scientifically and solve it once and for all. Hey everyone, this is Tayo Science, simplified science to make you smarter. A lot of people believe that if you microwave plastics, it releases cancer-causing chemicals called dioxins. This is true if you're burning food rather than cooking. So if you're not a really bad cook, you're pretty much safe. Now let's talk about leaching chemicals. First of all, let's make something very clear that there is no one thing called plastic. In fact, it includes a large number of compounds. There are chemicals called plasticizers which are added into plastics to shape it or stabilize it. One of these plasticizers is called bisphenol A or BPA. When food is wrapped in plastic or placed in plastic containers and heated, there are chances that BPA can leach into food. These chances are even higher with fatty food like cheese. BPA is an endocrine disruptor. It mimics hormones and messes up hormonal system and can cause a lot of health problems. There are many BPA-free containers available, but the other additives in them can have more or less the similar effect. Microwave-safe containers are, however, comparatively safer. They are tested for the amount of chemicals which are not dangerous, though there is always a possibility that some other food can react with it and cause side effects. Let's talk about melting. Most plastic bags are too thin to boil without melting. Ziploc bags soften at 195 degrees Fahrenheit or 90 degrees Celsius and melt at 212 degrees Fahrenheit or 100 degrees Celsius. So they melt at the same temperature at which the water boils. So you should avoid cooking in the bags, especially the thin ones. So in conclusion, use the microwave safe containers only when you have to. Avoid bags, and the best practice is to use the glass containers in the microwave. Please hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like this. Don't forget to like, comment and share. Hit the notification bell, and as always, keep learning, keep exploring until you know everything.